Hi, this is Brett Marriner with Communication Exhibits. We're here at the CES show 2019 and wanted to really look at the different interactive trends that we're seeing, the different kinds of technology that can be used in your exhibits this year. One of the areas that I'd like to talk about briefly would be virtual reality. You know, I think what you're seeing is that with the market right now, virtual reality, augmented reality, the idea of this technology is kind of hitting a plateau, right? Having that kind of hardware in your booth isn't enough. So, you know, the key differentiator that I took out of coming here to CES and seeing some of the different experiences that are being built would be, you know, you really need to focus on storytelling. Make it very, you know, impactful, maybe just a 3-minute experience. It's really meant to highlight your product, drive brand awareness, get people into your booth, and, you know, kind of get them into that sales pipeline from there. If you're gonna do it, focus on the overall message, why you're doing this, which primarily is gonna be brand awareness, and build a great story, and it will take care of itself from there. And there's lots of great hardware, you know, that we've taken out of this show that you can use, but really, it comes back to telling the right kind of story.